Well, YouTube, I'm here at Virginia at the apartments where my brother lives, and so I'm coming around here because I want to investigate where these fireworks come from because it's really cool. Coming right behind Kenny's apartment, my brother's apartment. We're gonna see. Yeah, there's music playing, but we're back there listening to some music back there, and we're gonna see where these fireworks come from. So we're gonna come back here by this alleyway, and we're gonna investigate exactly where these fireworks come from because they're shooting them in the apartment complex. I don't know why they're shooting fireworks back here. It's not even 4th of July and they're shooting fireworks. Kind of see where they're coming from. Yeah, sorry about that. Extra noise. They should be lighting off another one here in a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Kind of hear them going off back there. Let me go back here and see what's actually going on. Because I know they're lighting fireworks back there. So I just want to see real quick if they're going to shoot off another one because I want to see exactly where these are coming from. Yeah, they're shooting fireworks back there at that house. So I thought I'd just come out and hear what's going on and see what's going on. Because they were shooting a few fireworks shells. I want to say there were canister shells they were shooting back here. I think I hear another one going back there. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's some people over there lighting fireworks. I don't think they're going to shoot off anymore. If they do, I'll update y'all. But anyways, thanks for watching and more to come later.